So in this video we have a question. We have a question to write a program in 8085 to load 16-bit value 4250 in HL pair. Then we store the content of HL pair in memory location 3000H using SHLD. Then we clear the register pair. Then we load the stored value from memory location 3000H back into the HL pair using LHLD, and then copy the content of HL into DE pair using XCHG. So how do we attempt this question? So we'll first start with the first part. So we basically need to load a 16-bit value 4250 in HL register pair. We can do this using LXI instruction, LXI H, 4250H. We'll solve the first part of our question. Then in the second part we are said to store the content of HL in memory location 3000H using SHLD, which means we'll use SHLD and then basically write 3000H. So what this is going to do is, let me write down in the comment here. So this is going to store the value 4250H in HL pair. Then this will send the value 50 or 50H in 3000, 3000, and in 3001 we'll get the value 42. Now the third task is to clear the HL pair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do LXI H, 0000H, which will basically clear my HL pair, which means now the HL pair will have the value 0000H. Now we have to load the stored value from memory location 3000H back into the HL pair using LHLD. So for that we're going to write LHLD and then 3000H. So what this will do is load the value from memory location 3000 and 3001H back into HL pair. So HL pair will have the value 4250 again. Now the fourth part of the program is also complete. In the last part we are asked to copy the content of HL into DE pair using XCHG. So basically we're going to do XCHG and then terminate the program. So what this second last statement XCHG will do is copy the content of HL into DE pair. So DE pair will have 4250H, and then since the DE pair is empty, now that same value will be copied to HL pair, which means 000H will be copied to HL pair, and the program is complete at the end.